Let us read the summary of the poem Wind, written by Subramaniam Bharti. It is a beautiful poem in which the poet is talking to the wind and is highlighting its destructive power. He has linked the destructive power of the wind to the adversities of life and says that weak people break down, but stronger people emerges out of their adversities stronger. In the first stanza, the poet requests the wind to come softly and not to break the window shutters and not to scatter the papers. She also requests the wind not to throw down books from the shelf. Then the poet complains to the wind that in spite of his request, it blew strongly and threw the books off the shelf, tore their pages and brought the rain. In the second stanza, the poet says the wind makes fun of the weaklings and crushes the crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, and crumbling hearts. Here the word crumbling is repeated many times to emphasize a viewpoint that everything that is weak crumbles in the face of a strong wind. The powerful God of wind winnows human beings. He shifts all the people, and those who are weak fall down and get crushed. Here a comparison is made between wheat and people. Just like we winnow the wheat to separate the grain from chaff, the wind god separates the strong people from the weak. In the last stanza, the poet suggests that wind will not obey us. The poet wants us to make friends with the wind. That means to accept the adversities in life. He says that the problem will keep coming in. So we should be prepared to face them. We should build strong homes and close the doors of our house firmly so that the wind cannot get in. And then he says that we should also make our bodies strong and hearts firm to face the challenges in life. Once we are strong enough, we can overcome all the adversities. If we become strong, the wind will befriend us. The wind supports the strong fires but extinguishes weak fires. The friendship of wind is good, and we should praise the God of wind every day. The poem gives an important message that we should make ourselves mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardship of life. A weak person crumbles down like a weak building. We must make these destructive powers our friends with our strength and determination, and then we will be happy that we had these challenges in our lives because they help us become stronger and better. Thank you, and have a nice day.